Why can't you love me? Is it so hard for you to do that?
Hi, I am Lemon, and this is my story.
So, one day, I have been taken as pet by a boy. I was over the moon at that time. But only if I know that my happiness is temporary. I have been bitter and poured water on by my owner. And it is shock for me to find out that he had a friend group that frequently abusing other innocent animals too. Gratefully, our neighbor saw the way they abused me on that day. Without any hesitation, he then shouted to the boys,
Hey!
Hi, I am Lemon. Before I was adopted by my new family, I was very healthy and physically beautiful. I got clear, bright eyes, clean nose and face, normal posture, no signs of pain, and inside my mouth and eyes are pink. But soon, after being bought by my new owner, my physical appearance continued to be worsened, and I feel unhealthy inside. My condition was lethargic. I got snuffling and sneezing nose, hunched posture, and my membranes may be pale, indicating anemia, or have a yellow hue, indicating liver problems. Did you know that most cases of animal abuse are not reported? So, this is the statistic where it shows commonly animals that were abused. Animal cruelty happens in all different kinds of places in the world. Animals, especially dogs and cats, are among the easiest cases to find are being hurt in a lot of harsh ways. Under our Malaysian law, we have the Animal Welfare Act 2015 to help animals get justice against animal cruelty. Animal abusers or pet owners can be accountable for any bad actions. They can be fined and also serve jail time for their cruel act against animals. There are easier channels and faster ways to report animal abuse. So, if you see an animal being abused, malnourished or needing help, act quick. Take photos and videos and report the animal abuse so then you can save their life. You may contact them directly via WhatsApp at 016-266-2007 or email at inquiry@animal.org.my. So, if you cannot afford to care, don't ever think about it.